Happy Saturday, everybody. It's Cindy the Scrapologist. I'm here. I'm going to be doing a series of videos throughout the week showing you what I'm going to be putting in my Etsy shop. My desk is just overloaded. I've been procrastinating getting videos made and getting the photographs done and getting all these items in my Etsy shop, and I've just got to do it. So here's the first item that I'm really excited about. This is a beginners or children's junk journal starter kit. And what it comes with is this little 2x2, or no, was it 3x3? 3x3, little 3x3 journal that's covered with wallpaper and has book pages and a variety of papers inside. Some of them I started to just decorate a couple of pages just to give you an idea. So here's a little pocket, here's a flip with a collage on it. Most of them have at least this in it, and different pretty papers. Just a variety of things. There's some washi tape. But and here's another page that I decorated, and there's a little teeny weeny pocket. But then it comes with items for you to decorate this with. So first of all, it comes with a bunch of teeny weeny items. You'll get a wax seal that has most of them I think have a number on it. This is the number 3. And there's some little tabs and little tiny buttons and flowers, and they'll just be every kit is going to be different in terms of colors and what exact items you get, but you'll get a bunch of little things, little teeny weeny things that you can put in your journal. And then there are some embossed papers. This is actually a tag that you can fold up and put in, or you can cut it apart or use it in another project if you want. And another sheet of embossed paper. I love using this in my projects. It just looks so pretty. It just dresses up any project, whether you're tearing it or if you're inking the embossed part with or coloring it. It would be a fun project for a child to go ahead and color the leaves and the flowers and then tear them out and put them in the journal. So you get a big sheet of that. A couple of little paper clips and a piece of nice shiny burlap, because you want textures, different textures in your journal. And you'll get two little, I believe these are quilting squares, two pieces of fabric in addition to the burlap. So that'll give you some nice texture. And then, let me move this around here. And then you'll get a variety of papers of different shapes and sizes and colors. Some plain paper so that you can do some journaling on it or collaging if you want. There's, I believe, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 sheets of this 6x6 paper, of plain and patterned, and a couple of little I can't think today. Cardstock. This is a little bit thicker. This is a baby blue. Can't really see it that well in the camera. So again, another bunch of different textures and thicknesses. And then a collaged bookmark that you can tear apart or cut it up and put it in the journal. However you want to use it. That's a little handmade item for you. I always like to put something handmade in. Of course, this is handmade as well, and these items are as well. So what I've been doing with these is giving the kit to folks in my congregation, especially ones who don't know about junk journaling, but are interested in crafting, and some of the kids too. And what we're doing is using them to put our favorite Bible verses in. And it's just a perfect size for that little 3x3 book, and you can stick it in your purse or even in your pocket. So that's what I'm doing with it, and people love it. So I thought, well, I'm going to make a bunch more of these. And I think it's just a great way to start out. You don't have to worry about the making the journal itself. You can just have fun decorating, or maybe you're going to make a really high-end journal, but you have a grandkid or a child who wants to craft along with you, and so they can do that. This is sewn, by the way, so it's not going to come apart. It's real sturdy. So that's the first item in my shop. I have a ton more. Just keep your eyes out. If you're interested, click the little bell in the bottom right hand corner, and that way you'll be notified when I post another video, because I have lots of stuff, lots of really cool stuff coming out over the course of the next week. In handmade ephemera, junk journals, little ephemera kits, little booklets that have ephemera inside, some more vintage newspapers that just sold out like lightning. I've been making some glue bottle charms out of antique necklaces. I should say vintage necklaces. They're not all antique. So just a whole variety of things that have been sitting on my desk, and I didn't want to be on the computer long enough to have to list them. I just want to make things and not have to do all the business end, but I guess I have to. So that's my goal for this week. Okay, so I hope you like this cute little kit, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.